Bangkok is among the world's largest cities, with a population of more than 9 million people. Its high traffic, scorching heat, and raucous nightlife do not instantly make tourists feel welcome. However, first impressions may be deceiving. It is one of Asia's most cosmopolitan towns, with majestic palaces and temples, large canals, a busy nightlife, and excellent shopping. 1. Safari World, which claims itself as the world's largest open zoo, is separated into two sections, a drive-through marine park and a safari park. Unlike other zoos, Bangkok's famed Safari World allows animals to roam freely at their own speed. Safari World offers it all: an adventurous safari drive, a close encounter with friendly dolphins, or adrenaline fast-paced stunning action stunt. 2. The Giant Swing. One of Bangkok's most incredible attractions is a teak frame, also known as Giant Swing. The height of this swing is 27 meters. It stands amid the crowded square, located in front of Wat Suthot. The swing was constructed in the 1700s to be used in traditional Brahmin, Hinduist rites, but it was subsequently destroyed by lightning and became just a tourist attraction. 3. The Siam Paragon Mall. The Siam Paragon Mall is famous for its luxurious shopping, which is among the top destinations in Bangkok. Siam Paragon is among Thailand's biggest shopping malls, and there are a plethora of things to see and do beyond shopping. Aside from an unending number of stores and eateries, the complex also has an art gallery showcasing Thai artwork, an aquarium, and an opera performance theater that puts on some spectacular performances. 4. Floating markets. Almost every first-time visitor to Bangkok has a strong desire to see these distinctive retail places operated from traditional boats. Even though merchants are more concerned about visitors than locals these days, Bangkok's floating markets are still brimming with tropical vegetables, fruits ready-to-drink coconut juice, and traditional food made from floating kitchens located directly on the vessel. 5. Emerald Buddha Temple. The Emerald Buddha Temple, or Wat Phra Kayu, is situated on the grounds of the Grand Palace in Bangkok. It is considered among the most revered Buddhist temples in Thailand. The shrine itself is breathtaking, and the Buddha figure is sculpted from vivid green jade. The sculpture itself is relatively modest for such large renown, significance, and shrine.